Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out another accessory for your VR headset. This goes for all of the Quest lineups and the VisionPro. This is the P4 portable carrying case made by Kiwi Design. It retails for $86 Canadian on their website. At the time of posting, it's actually on sale for $46 Canadian. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off as well. And this one, I'm going to unbox it. I will show you how to put your headset inside of it, and then I will give you my review of it in the end. Let's jump into this one. Alright, so let's check out this case. Here it is. It's a nice soft velvety feel. It's not a hard case at all, but let's take this off and open it up. Alright, first things first, you can probably tell already, I probably don't even have to show you, but it's not going to fit a big head strap, right? This is made more for the stock head strap, the fabric one that can be maneuvered a little bit more. This is more, like in the name says, it's a portable carrying case. It's compact, something small. That's going to be just the headset, stock head strap, and the controllers. That's really all we're going to be able to fit into this one. Yeah, that's just how it is. So our controllers, though, will go in this little pouch here. And you can see that they're both going to easily fit in there, and I have controller grips on them, and so they easily fit with controller grips, as you can see there. Nice and soft and silky on the inside. Not worried about those, having any damage issues to the. And then your headset itself will fit around it there. So I'm going to take off this head strap and put the stock one back on here. So I went and put the stock strap back onto my Quest 3 just so I could show you how it fits in here exactly. So again, the controllers are in here. They're nice and snug in there. They're not going anywhere. Nice and soft in there. So that's going to be placed in the middle. And then your Quest will face forward. And the strap will just be placed around it, cushioning it all in the middle. And that kind of keeps everything secure there as well. And then you're good to go. Now up here we have two pockets, and inside of this pocket here we have a little pouch, and that is actually for an air tag if you want to track your case. It's kind of a nice little touch there. But these pouches up here easily will fit your charging cables. So we could put these in here, put those in there, and it closes up just fine. Everything's nice and solid in there because it's so compact. So this is a soft case, but it is very portable, very easy to put inside of a larger bag and still stay protected. Again, it's going to fit your Quest 3, Quest 3S, Apple Vision Pro, the previous versions of Quest as well. This is going to fit those. The only thing it won't fit is a different type of head strap. You're going to have to be using just the stock, going minimal with this one. So if you're interested in purchasing this, make sure you head over to the Kiwi website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off of your purchase. I'll link that below in the description. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.